Good afternoon, companions and tutor. My name is Erika Julia Lopez Daza. Today I come to talk about tags for speaking assignment, effects and technology of the environment. How do I see the future of planet? I think like my people say that the future is uncertain. But scientific we can predict what the world will be like in few years. It is now very rich to about into saying that the planet is changing and great. Speed and most of the changes are going to environment and before. What is impact are there? 1. Temperatures are rising. 2. The glacier poles are melting. 3. Million and animal species disappear. 4. Natural resources are being depleted due to harm's consumption. How do methane environment that? For my point of view, I consider that energy should be put out efficiently. It minor water responsibility, recycled and reutilize water, for example, the production of biogas or biomass. Transpiration and it's to admit or fertilizantes, the extraction of products or blooms subjects, optimizing the parking of your products, make an inspection prevention plan, use new more degradation materials, calculate the evidence for peer of your activity and definition improvement objective, improvisation magnetic or material and water of termination, the word reduces the volume and pollutant load in the water dish. In conclusion, the technology has influenced to structural changes in society, both negativity and positivity, because it's the advantages and the important for us. The positive is that is help of facilitation the hope or net that we have, and the negative is that using the so much changes or social, family, and intimation living with to inner hosts to daten and made of single people. The intention are that it will always facilitation or they live thing in will never end. Of the contrary is eviction more and more negativity. The negativity is because that to in changes or live contemplation thing was socialization with others and fin in the speculation to love it along to go out to spend time with the family. I feel I can the technology of evaluation is an David and that we also changes because they're happening every because more attention the technology. The human behavior is a society beyond be natural and live with or the people providation where that is no comparison to even too much expensive and the war. Thank you for your attention. Bye.